Welcome back, dear participants. Now we have come to fag end of the sessions. Now it's the time to make remarks, comments, and summarization. I have with us Professor Nagbhushan Raju, Executive Director of Atal Incubation Center, Sri Krishnadevara University. He is also our professor, and you have met him on the first day of this program. So I have invited him to address you all on this day. I welcome Professor Nagbhushan Raju sir, and please address our participants and give your remarks, and also participants are keen to express their opinions after his talk is over. Sir, over to you.
Okay, thank you, Shivkiran. Good afternoon, everyone. Probably I prefer, some of them or all of them to be on video, because this is more of a, closing remarks and more of interaction. So I would be happy to, see you all personally.
Yeah, we can also take some photographs, group photo.
Yeah, probably some virtual group photo.
Group photo, yes.
And, so we can have more of one-to-one interaction.
Right.
That is also we can.
Mauli, can you take photograph?
Ravalanka. There is.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. I think the bandwidth should not be a problem. So let's continue with all the things, because we have very few participants. Okay, good. Let me keep interacting. Anyway, I really appreciate all the participants, because I've heard that really we have got a very good set of participants. And only the thing is that we were expecting physical incubation, physical FDP. That should have been much better for live cases. Interaction with the experts, and like what we did last year, but somehow because of this pandemic, it was not possible. But still, I think our people have covered the whole set of topics that need to make you entrepreneurial savvy. That's more important. So the basic aim of this particular FDP is, basically, you should get that zeal, and you should taste that entrepreneurial spirit, so that you can in turn transform this to your students and make them, bring out the entrepreneurial spirit in them. In fact, compared to us, students have, they are all very, very inquisitive. But unless we tap that talent among them, unless we motivate them, unless we guide them, we cannot put them on the track. And that is exactly what is the purpose of this faculty development programs. We should have been happy if we would have covered more spectrum of faculty from different institutions. But nevertheless, we wanted to make a beginning, and we will be conducting number of such programs in the days to come. In fact, this particular program, although the participation is less, but still I've got the feedback that we got very good resource persons. All of them are practical people, but unfortunately, most of the faculty are in the midst of either the examinations or the online classes, or different other commitments given by the managements. But still, there was a very good, comfortable participation from all the registered candidates, and we should be really thankful to all the participation for that. And so with this few remarks, I would like to share your feedback and what has been your experience, and how we can improve this particular program, or do we need to give any particular tailor-made program in future, like for this set of participants, Shivkiran.
Yes.
If at all they are really interested in one or two niche areas where we should take them forward. And we can always have a either one-to-one program or a group of program. A group of people can join a program as an extension of this particular FDP.
I've already mentioned that, sir.
Can definitely have that. Our ultimate aim is from every cohort, as we normally call this, there should be takeaways at least. Where are we going? Are we initiating any initiative in our institute? Number one. Number two, are we mentoring any of the students either from within the institute or from outside the institute? See, I just want to remind you at this point of time that please bear in mind that this particular entrepreneurial journey is not, need not always be limited to the institution which you are working. It can be any farmer. So where we are disseminating our knowledge, where we are disseminating our expertise. In fact, more than the students, there will be business people outside or the farmers outside or many people outside who will be interested to join this journey. And that's where we need to share the experience, and AIC SKU will always be there with you for any kind of hand-holding exercise. Because ultimate aim is to take this spirit of entrepreneurial journey to as many people as possible. Okay, so that's our thing. Please be in touch with our team, and never ever hesitate for any kind of assistance, help, or if you want us to talk to your management, either I can talk or our team can talk, and we can always correspond with your management to build up this ecosystem. Absolutely, there is no problem. Okay, so all that is required is unless you take that initiative, and we cannot come in the process. That's the very important thing. So I would like to finally say that please make use of this facility. Don't treat this like any other seminar or a workshop or a training program that you are attending, because this is totally different. Unless there is a practical tinge, unless there is a takeaway from this workshop, no, we will not be justifying all these nearly 4 hours a day for 10 days. It's a enormous time for a busy faculty like you. So keep that in mind, that at least how, where, how and when we can take this forward and how we can be useful to you. Please always think in the direction, and we would always be glad to help you or assist you or guide you in any manner which is comfortable to you and to your institute. Okay, so with these few words, I think we can have a feedback and interaction. I expect all of you to be totally free. The more I hear from you, we can correct ourselves and we can tailor make our future programs, or you can also suggest us whatever you think you can suggest us, threadbare. And the more freely you share with us, the more, because although we are in an institute, we are not an institute. We work like a corporate company, and we believe that everyone has a role. And I am the one person who believes that how I value my superior, I will value with more my juniors, I mean subordinates. So that's the spirit what we work here, and I expect the same from you all people. Kindly share your views, share your feedback, and share how you want to go towards. By this 10 days, you would have had some idea by now what are the bottlenecks and what are the advantages, what are the positive points here. And
somebody wants to share, sir.
Yeah.
Usha Garu, madam.
Good morning, sir. This is Usha Ajit Prasad. I don't have any educational background like all the professors who have taken part in this. But though I came as an open blank book, my chapter has been completely filled with knowledge of innovation and incubations and things like that. But I would like to have more of practical knowledge. If you could arrange for more practical knowledge, then it will be easier for me to take this message to the children and for the farmers around our area.
See, the background is, sir, she's a Rotarian. I think she would have introduced, and she's planning to
that's right.
for some vocational training institute. She has not yet But she's exploring in 4 different districts, what to start and how to start. So she's trying to do feasibility studies. That's where she's. So with that
Okay.
objective only, I think she might have joined.
Yeah,
So
all the
if there isn't a particular area where we can collaborate, madam, will be able to.
No, actually, probably next July, I will be taking over as a occasional chairman. And we have 4 districts, Tiruvannamalai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, and what is the other one? Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur. So most of them are agricultural based, like Tiruvannamalai, Tiruvallur, and Velur and Kanchipuram are semi-urban places. So we can think I want to have a training center kind of thing where we can part this knowledge. And I'm also been taken to a new organization, which the inauguration is tomorrow, called Edu Astra. And I'd like to send the invitation to the group so that all of you can attach your institution to this Edu Astra, which is under FWC, that First World Communication. And in that we can join together, and you can share all these knowledges to the students who are enrolled through us. You can share all these knowledges. So I have 2 avenues, but both the Edu Astra is a new thing which I have just joined, and I have to work and grow along with it. And according to Rotary, I'm very much interested in Interact and Rotrax. In my club itself, we have 6 Interact schools and around 4-5 Rotrax clubs we have. So anywhere, even if it is not a big scale, or I'll definitely be a bridge taking the knowledge to these children and the society. So, but I feel theoretically I have learned quite a lot for a blank mind when I came, but my mind is full of something, full of knowledge. But only thing, I need more practical knowledge, and unless I practically see things, I'll probably learn even more, which I can take it properly to the people. Right, otherwise, madam, I'll be a half-baked cake kind of thing.
Yes. Wonderful. It comes under which RI district, madam?
It is 3231, sir. 3231. But right, this year I'm not very active, sir. Okay. This year I'm not active. I have not taken any post. It will be from next July only. Next July, the governor who's coming is a very nice person, a youngster. So along with him, I can do something really good.
Yeah, good, madam. I was a member for Rotary 3060 district. This was in 2002, year 2002. Very long back. Both myself and M. Chandra Reddy. We were all
but mine, ours is a new district, sir. It is only 3-4 years old. It was got bifurcated from 3 to 30.
Oh, okay.
But this year I'm not active, sir. This year I won't be able to do anything. Probably from July I'll be able to. So before July, I want to really, get all my experiences in this field.
Maybe you can also welcome, you to visit us.
Definitely, sir. You tell
we
me.
Have a lot of, as you said, practical workshops we have. I mean, incubation activities. You can meet our entrepreneurs and take first-hand information from them rather than we telling. I can bring some.
In the month of Jan, I can come, sir, because right now there's till December this COVID is going to go high, and I just got out of COVID, so I don't want to expose myself again to the public. So probably in the month of Jan, you let me know. I will definitely come.
Most welcome, madam. Maybe during that time we'll have some demo also. We'll welcome you.
Yeah. One thing what I suggest to Shivakiran, because ma'am is telling that it's mostly agricultural.
No, not only agriculture. No, not only agriculture. I said that area has a lot of agricultural thing, but I am more interested in the education of the government school children and college students.
Yes. Wonderful, madam. As you know, the model of Atal Tinkering Labs, on those lines, we can just model a particular thing for Rotary schools. We will mentor some of the school children, and probably you can select our team will definitely work with you
Okay.
how we have been working for Niti Aayog for Atal Tinkering Labs schools.
Okay.
Our team will help you in identifying the. So when you are coming in January or February, you can also bring a selective group of students where they can.
Sir, that will be impossible because the schools will be opening only now. I don't think the teachers or the
Yes.
they will definitely not allow anybody to come out because as it is, they'll be far behind their syllabus. I don't
know,
think
that's
it is
true.
possible.
That's
No,
true.
I will come, sir. Probably after July, we will plan and then we can get things done.
Yes, we can also train the students online, madam, not a problem. But the main key factor here is identifying the right student. Only you can do, or a school teacher can do it. So if you can identify some students like that, diversity of students, diversity of disciplines, then we can always handhold them online. And probably
That's
physical
what
presence may
you
not be required
have to
immediately.
give me the knowledge as how to identify these children.
Yes.
And
do that.
I get that
Some
knowledge.
workshops, there are certain workshops where you can do that. Some activity based.
Our people will guide you in that, madam. Not a problem. Not a problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Now we are in a position to train right from school children to an age-old farmer.
Yes.
Between we have corporates, all this one. So we are already gearing up ourselves to train anybody of any cross section.
So you are also trained me as a senior citizen at this age, sir.
Yeah, definitely. It will be our pleasure. It will add feather to our cap.
So mentors the mentors.
Yes. We have also have a mentor. But the only thing is, please keep in touch with our team and keep giving us the feedback and try to find out where you can fit in which program you can really fit in and how we can help you.
And you also keep calling me, sir, for any other program like this. I would like to attend this.
Sure, madam. We'll post all the communications.
And also we can. I will talk to this Edu Astra. I'll send today the inauguration. Tomorrow is the inauguration of Edu Astra. I'll send the flyers to you today and the group I will put it. And please do join, sir, tomorrow. All of you join. All the professors and all the institute heads can please join for this.
Right. Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much, madam.
Very
welcome,
nice.
sir.
So anybody else wants to add? Or we should call names? Okay, sir.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Janardhan Garu.
Sir. Very good afternoon, sir. Respected Professor K. Nagbhushan Raju Garu, Founder Director, Atal Incubation Center, SK University, Anantapur. Respected Shivakiran Garu, Dr. Shivakiran Garu, and respected Dr. Chandramouli Garu, and other team members from organizing team from SKU Anantapur, and my dear participants, very good afternoon to all of you. I really very happy that the program has been conducted in such a fashion. More or less, every topic has been included, and utmost care has taken by the team to organize this event. When we look at the contents, in fact, day one, first session onwards, till the last session of the last day, the same tempo was maintained by the team. I really thanks from my side, sir, from my heart. But at the same time, a very good resource persons have been invited to this program. Just to name few members: Ramdas Garu, IIT Bombay, Subramani Garu, Ramji Garu, Vikas Garu, Lakshminarayana Garu, CA. Even when we look at even the topics, startup, innovation, detailed project report, or even feasibility study, technical feasibility, financial feasibility, marketing feasibility, investment landscape, and motivation stories. In fact, there were people who have shared their entrepreneurship experience with our participants. As a whole, sir, we really got a tremendous motivation and support. In fact, even though we had some little bit knowledge and awareness, it has really improved our complete awareness and confidence. Even advertisement, branding, more or less all topics have been covered, including IPR. What I personally felt that there was a session on IPR, very less time was allotted. It's only my personal feeling from my side. I would be really very happy if a session, exclusive session, will be provided IPR, because it is the order of the day. But when we look at the take homes, a tremendous resource persons are added to this. I really feel that I have a very good network now. I have well-wishers who will guide and support whenever we have the requirement. So much clarity was there. Even though I had some little bit knowledge and especially the business model canvas, very good time has paid by the resource persons. I really got very good command and clarity on that. Except a half day, like 3.5 hours, I could able to spare maximum to this program. I really very happy. So it's a great opportunity for me to be a part of this program with with the wonderful resource persons, with the wonderful organizing team. Once again, I really very happy to associate with SKU Atal Incubation Center, even for future sake, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Andy. We, in fact, with Nalla Narasimha Reddy College, we'll be organizing one more program next week. We are really happy to see your initiative in your region. So last time also when we have organized this program, there were more than 400 participants.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That was a very good response. We are really glad that you are taking much initiative. Please do let us know if you want to talk to your management on further, whatever further initiatives that you want to take from this onwards.
Yes,
And
sure.
our team will be happy to come along with you.
Yes, sir. Thank
And
you, sir.
you rightly
for your
pointed out,
support.
sir, the IPR, if you want a separate dedicated day, I understand IPR is a very vast, IPR contains trademarks, patents, secrets, many things, how to file, what is the landscape, procedures. Last year, I think, if I'm right, we have conducted in October, one full day we spent for 3 different experts from different companies had come, not single company.
Right.
So this time also we'll be planning to do something like that, maybe in March. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll be in touch, and when the such program happens, the dedicated program for one day,
Yes.
only an IPR,
Yes.
we will definitely, extend invitation to you and to all the members. So, participate in that. You're most welcome.
Thank
And
you,
if
sir.
you want to one-to-one to your faculty or something, there is like 20-25 faculty or something like that. On this kind of thing, we can also, work with
Tailor-made.
Yes.
tailor-made.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Right, Andy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Deeply, madam.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, man.
Sir, good afternoon, Ravi sir, Molly sir, Shivakiran sir. Sorry. I always get your name as Ravi sir. I don't know why. Maybe so many times I called you like that. Sir, it was a very, actually, it's a very big event for us. It's more than our brains that could accept that. I never believed I could attend 10 days workshop on the thing which we really don't belong to. But it was very informative, sir. Thank you so much, because it was like, so now I feel so many have missed such a big thing altogether. But because of this internet issues and all, I missed few sessions, not few sessions, last hour and all. Because of jammers in the campus for examinations and all, I missed few afternoon sessions, because my cabin is very near to the computer labs and all. I missed. It would be very helpful if you could share videos to us. When I was in when I was attending the workshop from home, then I didn't have any problem. But it is with the campus, jammers are kept because of exams and all. Today morning also, I had to sit in basketball court to join the meeting.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Because I have to go far from my cabin to join internet issues. Sir, my request is, frankly telling, it's more than what we required. And it's really very helpful. And all the resource persons, I am no one to even give feedback for them, because they were excellent and wonderful. And I could learn more things. Whenever I meet you, I learn new things, but this is something huge for me. So my request is, if you could share these videos, we can listen to them, watch them again. We can refresh what we have. I have noted points, but videos are available, it will be more helpful. I think you have told you'll do it. And we can share and we can form a small group, all the members and all. We'll sit and watch so that we can discuss. We'll try with the business plans and all. Unless we know, we can't tell our students to do that. We have submitted ideas and all. You have seen how much we know. We made some business plans which are actually nothing. You made the corrections and you told us how to do. And if we are going for a bigger thing, this is really very helpful. Sir. And I always accept AIC SKU is always at its best. Staff are very helpful. And I, as a family, also come and meet Sivakiran sir. But only thing is, I personally am not interested in getting into entrepreneurship. I am happy with my professor job now. But still, I want, my husband want to be an entrepreneur from the beginning always. But I don't support him because I'm happy with my job. But my duty is to help my students. So as a part of my duty, I'm into this. Otherwise, I'm never good with money. I'm never good with making it more and all. I'm good in spending, but you people showed me so many ways in which I can spend more. And how people are thinking so differently, not how country is going high on this and all. So thank you, sir. I'll convey all this to my students. This 10-day program is very good. And you really took a lot of risk, lot of work, because for 2-3 days we are almost dead at the end. But you did it for 10 days. That's a very good thing. I can see the effort of the faculty there, Mauli sir, Sivakiran sir, and all. So thank you so much. I'll be attending all this because they are very informative, I know. And Nagbhushan Raju sir, I need not to say anything.
Thank you.
When whole world got locked up due to this pandemic and all, I used to watch sir's videos, English, Mahabharat, and my kids used to watch them. I used to tell sir to keep them in the status that my kids are watching them. So thank you, sir, so much, sir.
Thank you.
You were always encouraging. And I should not forget Usha ma'am. Ma'am, more than all the resource person and all, you were very encouraging. We need not to put any question to the resource person. We are doing as like our job, but you are doing it for yourself and for the society. And that's a great encouragement. We don't need to meet so many people. You yourself are an encouragement, and I hope you all, you as a person, do whatever you want and you do good to the society. All the best, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Deepti. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, madam. With this, I understand that you will make a very good citizen. What India requires nowadays is spenders, not earners. So far, people have been earning all the years together. They go on earning, so they don't pay any taxes to the government. But whereas European and American countries spend whatever they earn, the country India is not prospering means there are no people for spending nowadays. So that way, we really appreciate your spirit. You will make a true citizen of India in the years to come. Good. So another point is that please don't ever imagine yourself as an entrepreneur. We are all not entrepreneurs here, but we are all still trainers and educators. We are here to motivate our students to be the entrepreneurs. We, on our own, we are never to be the entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur can never train an entrepreneur. Only a teacher can train an entrepreneur. So please remember that. And our goal is always to, because there are, as I was telling in a very beginning thing, let 100 flowers blossom. The role of a teacher is, every year we are getting hundreds of students who are going through us, through our spectrum. If we are, at least if we are making 10 of them or one of them in every year, thousands of flowers can blossom in a garden like India. And that's exactly should be our spirit. Thank you for your good words.
And madam, see this 10 days program you have applied to DSP, I believe that is a 15 days program, madam. So these are trials for you. You want to conduct the TDP program, that's 22 days. I have seen that schedule.
Yes, sir. It's a
It's a training for you also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a good thing. I request all the education institutes also, please keep applying for we are there to support you in organizing those particular programs.
Yes.
Absolutely
See,
not a problem.
resource persons we can map.
Resource persons and everything we can handhold at every instance. Absolutely not a problem.
Yes. So I want to tell all the participants that we have applied for a DST program for FDP. If Shivakiran sir could have not helped me, because we don't know all those resource persons, right? If Shivakiran sir would have not helped me with the resource persons, I would have not applied for it. So if at all, I believe we all know it's not possible that we know everything. So we can always take help of AIC, SKU. They'll help you really in a very good manner. Otherwise, Shivakiran sir, thank you. Otherwise, it's not possible for me.
It's our that's part of our job role, madam. I had to do it.
In fact, SRIT is very close to our heart, madam. Your Sam Sivareddy is a good friend of mine, and I am in the academic council of your autonomous college.
Sir.
So at the end of the day, madam, our team is very thin, okay? And if you want us to spread throughout Rayalaseema and elevate the student startup ecosystem, the support from college, in charges like you only can help us. So we have been working with different colleges and training their in charges, so that we need not come everywhere. You can carry the work. Whether you are doing, we are doing the same job of elevating the students towards the entrepreneurship, right?
Yes.
So other people can reach out to us at any point of time. We can map the resources for you. The strength of any incubation center, madam, it's not money, it is the network.
Yes,
so we have that, and we can proudly say that we have really good one.
Yes. And regarding this National Innovation Policy 2019, sir, I had some doubts. I thought of coming to you, but when I saw that second day first session on that, then I got satisfied. Okay, I need not to go anywhere for this. And I have attended MHRDs, but you know how their sessions are. It's always with the government policies, which we actually don't understand. But sir has made it very simple. And after sir has explained, I read it again, all the policy and all. Now I can make, I made a draft copy of the policy to the college.
Very nice.
Very good.
Thank you, sir. You made it very simple. I also tell all the other participants also, after listening to the sir session, if you have not, if you are not very clear with it, listen to that session again and read the policy. It will make it simple, and you can make your own policies.
Yeah, in fact, it is there available on YouTube, madam.
Yes, sir.
I had given a webinar to Nalla Narasimha Reddy College, and
Okay.
I put on YouTube. Although I've also given it in KLTU Anantapur Auditorium. That's also there, but this is the latest.
Okay.
This
Sir,
is the
if you
latest.
please could share those links, it will be very happy.
Yeah, definitely, madam. Definitely.
That will help our.
And another point is all these sessions which we have, everything is recorded. I request Chandramouli to cut those videos to topic specific and then upload it in the YouTube, because nowadays I keep telling madam, we need not create the content. If we can curate the content, that's enough, because everything is there in the net. None of us own the information, because Google has already democratized the information, right? So that's everything. So nobody has any rights on that. So all that is essential is just curate the content and put it so that everyone who is for whom it is useful, they will be using it. We'll do that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Next, madam Renuka.
Yeah, Dr. Renuka should speak because she's from Rayalaseema University.
Respected Professor Nagbhushanam Raju sir, Dr. Shivakiran sir, Chandramouli sir, entire team. I would thank you profusely because just I had joined to get a certificate basically, but I learned a lot. And it is my first entrepreneurship faculty development program. And all the speakers were eminent, and their way of dealing the queries, everything was very professional and very informative rather. And definitely I'll take this to my administration. I'll speak to registrar sir immediately, and I'll make it. We will have a MOU with, because it's a parent university. SKU is a parent university for Rayalaseema University. So definitely I have learned a lot, sir. I thank you very much. And remaining things have been shared by Deepti ma'am, Usha ma'am, Janardhan Raju sir and all. So I have learned a lot. Really, I thank the entire team. Basically here and there I have missed. When you will be uploading the videos, I'll cover it up because I had the classwork from 12 to 1 and the same subject, entrepreneurship development. Whatever I was learning from these sessions, immediately I was sharing so that I'll retain more. So that was a great experience for me to share regarding videos, like Ramji sir's session, lean design, all lean canvas. All these things I have learned, and I appreciate wholeheartedly Dr. Shivakiran sir for giving tremendous statistics on startups and what all they have done very quickly. Yesterday's afternoon session, he could cover the maximum in India, like from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, like what are the startups they have started in what all areas. Really, it was a wonderful experience for me. I thank the entire team, AIC SKU team. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, madam. Your earlier Vice Chancellor, Professor Narasimhalu, was a good friend of mine.
Yes, sir. When sir was there, everything was in pipeline.
Yeah, it was very good.
And even Amarnath sir was very like encouraging.
Yeah, from
he
SV
only
University.
Made me coordinator for SV University.
Okay.
He only made me coordinator for this entrepreneurship. And after he left, it was only on paper only. Nobody was paying attention. If I was going also, he was telling academics will get disturbed. Don't put, at least EAC, we were not able to do it. But really, as I have learned from many of the entrepreneurs also, that we should try it till we get it. That is what we should do it. We should not get dejected or disappointed. So
keep
thank you
applying
very
for
much,
some
sir,
schemes.
for this opportunity.
Keep applying
yes, sir,
for
surely,
some,
sir.
Yeah, keep applying for some training programs. Keep applying for some schemes, and that's the only way what we can do in, because otherwise nothing much happens in state-funded university unless some, as you know, as a management professor, it is all like 80-20 principle. Only 20 people work and 80 people will be blaming you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That way, so you have to be creative, passionate to do our work. That's all. Don't bother much about other people and keep doing your own work. You will definitely succeed.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Right, madam. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Next.
Hello. Hello.
Prasad Babu.
Yes,
hello.
Babu. Please go ahead.
Sir, sir, good morning all, sir. So actually, the two words are very, very important, sir. The incubation and innovation. So those are the igniting words for me. And so I am always thinking about the students in the rural area, studying the rural government degree colleges and all the institutions. Sir. So how can we motivate them and how can we inspire them to think in the entrepreneurship lines? Sir? So because today the unemployment is very rampant. So government jobs are almost nil. So private sector is the only area where we can get the employment. So so the entrepreneurship is the only way, and it is the future for the student generation to be settled in their life and to design their life. So this workshop helped me a lot to get some idea about what is the scope of entrepreneurship and how practically we can guide the students in these entrepreneurship lines. So that was wonderful, sir. And sir, Nagbhushan Raj garu, you said it very right. An entrepreneur teach cannot make an entrepreneur, but a teacher can do that. So that was a wonderful line, sir. And regarding Shivakiran Garu, the wonderful organization skills. See, as an organizer, he organized the workshop very well. And as a participant also, he involved in every session, and he on behalf of us, he is asking so many doubts and getting clarifications, and he encouraged us, and he involved us totally. Thank you, sir, and congratulations for the success of the program, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Andy.
And once I went to once I go to my college, I will definitely talk to my principal for the establishment of an incubation center in whatever the way possible, and I will take your all support for the establishment and organizing the programs. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Right, Andy. Very good, Andy. Prasad Babu Garu, for your feedback. Just one question which you asked in the beginning. What you can do in the college. So the best thing is, within your own context, try to identify some, as I said in my session, we should make the students think, Andy. Not many of us,
yes,
because the child in the beginning, they are very inquisitive. And, the parents
yes,
and teachers successfully kill their inquisitiveness, Andy, over the period.
Actually, sir,
that's exactly what happens.
Sir, I am disturbing you. So actually, I encourage all my students to I will make a day that is a Friday is allotted to the innovation center only. So I will take all the stupid ideas from the students, whatever, whether it is for a movie or whether it is for an advertisement or a product, whatever. I am taking all the stupid ideas, and we will discuss on these lines. Only this is the program I am doing for several years.
Wonderful,
so that is it. Thank you.
Yeah, much initiative. So you like that in your exercise, you identify 20 to 25 people, or even 10, it doesn't matter, 10 to 40, any number of things. Then we will organize one day, I will interact with all of them, our team will interact with all of them. We will allocate a particular day for all of them, and see how best we can motivate them and take them forward. And
in fact, we can do with the local Telugu language only, sir.
Yeah,
so that it will be very.
We're all Telugu speaking people, and not a problem.
If there's the only thing is English is not problem, we can penetrate through Telugu.
Yeah, only thing is why we insist on English is they should start thinking in English, and only then, because otherwise they have to share their ideas. We are not limiting them to Andhra Pradesh. They have to grow in the later stage. Correct. So right from the early stage itself, we should make them think in English, not think in Telugu and convert it to English. So if they start thinking in English, they automatically start speaking in English, Andy. Not that they don't know. They have so much of grammar in their brains. I keep telling many people, there is so much of grammar that is fed into this brain all these years, and which is running right there, undigested, unused. Now we should make them retrieve those grammar and make them frame sentences and use them. That happens only when they start thinking in English, Andy. That's the reason only we should make them listen English. We should make them listen English every time. Because if they want to grow in their career, that is the only way, Andy. But not that I am mana Telugu name idanatan ledu. Telugulo mana pravenyam undachu. But if you want to grow, nowadays you are all a global citizen, Andy. Everyone is a global citizen. And that's one medium where you can reach to any level. The point is, if they start from the early stage itself, they will catch very easily. Instead of catching after intermediate, after degree, and there is no age limit for catching this kind of language, Andy.
Yes, sir. So, it's a great listening to you, sir. You have a great empathy towards these kind of people, and thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Right, Andy. Most welcome. Thank you. Next. Next, everyone online lo.
Rajesh Kumar Nagabhushan. Rajesh Kumar Nagabhushan. Are there guys? Are there?
Yeah, Rajesh.
And we had a representative from Gates College, but I think he dropped. He came in between and went between. Didn't know.
Okay, because they have the examination schedules.
That's what. Yeah.
All these things. Many of them it may be different.
Each one belongs to different university setup, so we really don't know who is on what.
Because sometimes we can't force them to attend all the sessions because of their academic schedules.
Sure.
That possibility is also there. Yes, Rajesh, go ahead.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Professor Nagbhushan Raj, sir, and respected Shivakumar, sir, and respected Chandramohan, sir. Good afternoon, all participants. In this virtual FDP record, actually, I'm engineering faculty. I'm less knowledge about entrepreneurship and this type of knowledge are very less. But regarding this FDP, I gain knowledge in entrepreneurship and business activities and how the startup functionings is how startup functionings will be useful to the students and myself also. I learned so many good functionings. I learned it's very useful to me. I'm thankful to total Atal Incubation team members. This is a very good opportunity giving to me. And also I can gain all functionings and all topics also I utilizing. So this is my weeks.
Right. Thank you, Rajesh. Good. Thank you for your interest.
Yes.
And
Yes.
Keep gaining more whenever you have free time. Visit the center and interact with the people and see what best you can do to students.
Thank
Good.
you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, sir. Definitely. Thank you very much. Yes, sir.
Next. Yeah. Okay. So I think they must be busy in other things. Right. So anyway, if that is the thing, and Shivakiran, we can see how we can, what are the takeaways from this workshop and what are the future plans and how to take the, whatever the ideas suggested by the participants, how we can take them forward and see that how we can handhold them, because different people may have a different, we have requests from schools, again colleges, like that. So how we can do that, and if necessary, if the teachers can really motivate a group of students, we can really run a one-day exclusive workshop for that college or for the school for a group of students, whatever it is. So we'll keep working on those lines. Definitely.
Yeah, right. So yes, so participants, that's what the carry further spillover of this session should be a concretization of this into some incubation or innovation activities. So as sir said, we are open. We invite you to coordinate some program from your college and on a one-day workshop or anything with your students. That is one point at students level. If you want a selected group of faculty also to be groomed in this line, in each department, like there are some good number of departments in every college, university. If you want to cherry pick one or two faculty from each department and do some program also, one can do. Second point. Third point would be, if you want us to handhold in setting up of such innovation centers, incubation centers in your university and college, and talk to management, we can help you in building policy framework and do it, which we are already doing to JNTU, Centurion University, now Yogi Vemana University, many such colleges we are doing it. So we can extend same thing. And at tribal schools, sir, and colleges, if you want to conduct this kind of activity also, we can do virtually. Now the Zoom has made us interact across the nations. And related to vocational training centers, if you want us to help you in that regard in networking and giving resource persons, we can do it, no problem. So
good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Nagbhushan Raj, sir.
Good afternoon, madam. Please go ahead.
Sir, I'm Dr. Kalpana, SK University Women's Studies Center, sir.
Okay.
And actually, I joined the program for learning what is entrepreneurship. And from the first day till today, I learned a lot. And I have a policy that whatever I don't know, I should learn it from somebody. Actually, I am academician, and this is totally different. From the very beginning, Subramani sir, Shivkiran sir, Ramdas sir, Ramji sir, Hima madam, Ramaya sir, all they were very uh, well versed resource persons, and I was enlightened like anything. And because I am in Sri Krishna Devaraya University, and I don't want to take much of your time, and I'll come to you, and you have to support me a lot, because I am in Women's Studies Center, and we work on rural women, all the social economic conditions of rural women. And somewhere or the other, I think that I personally want to start something for rural women, and I want to become entrepreneur other than my academic career. So I need a lot of help and support from you, Shivkiran sir, Chandramouli sir, and the staff. So till today, the resource persons and Dr. Shivkiran, Dr. Chandramouli, and yourself, the session was excellent, and I was enlightened, and it was very motivating. And from the very beginning, I didn't miss one session also, and I came to know so many things like budget and then ideas, planning, and everything. I am enlightened like anything, sir. Thank you very much, sir, to your AIC team, Dr. Shivkiran, Dr. Chandramouli, Rajshekhar, and I have to thank personally Chandramouli, because I thought that what I have to do with this program, because already have 150 webinars in this lockdown, many workshops and FDV programs which are related to my academic career. What I have to do, but Chandramouli told that no, ma'am, you just pay the fee and enroll. You will come to know what is in this program. So I want to thank personally Dr. Chandramouli and Dr. Shivkiran also for their support. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much, madam. Please be in touch with our team, and they will be able to help
Yes,
you
sir.
whatever are your requirements. Not at all a
Yes,
problem.
sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Next, anyone else? Yeah, Shivkiran. Anyway, it's nearing one.
Almost, yes. Right. Okay. So thank you, dear participants, and as we know, closing this ceremony, and I wish you good luck to all of you in whatever endeavors and whatever learnings you have taken from here, and how do you want to use it. And we are, very open to collaborate with all of you. At the end of the day, what we want to see is entrepreneurial ecosystem in every nook and corner of Andhra Pradesh, at least Southern Andhra Pradesh, to start with. And you will be getting all your e-certificates to your mails. Okay, just give us 2 to 3 days time. Okay, and we'll be sending all the e-certificates to you. If you do not get in like by Monday, just contact us. Maybe you would have missed it. Okay, and all the videos, presentations, and case study materials, documents, PDFs, anything, whatever materials we have shared, video, audio, otherwise in this particular program, everything will be curated and archived in our link drive, and also in our website. So you can access from there. Okay. And if you need anything else, please let us know. We can make certain arrangements. And it would be injustice to not to mention, if I forget to mention our team, starting with our office support, Naresh, Rajshekhar, Anita, our accountant, Rajshekhar office support, and Dr. Chandramouli, you know how much work he has put behind the scenes, and he has put a lot of presentations. In fact, I remember he telling that, sir, one night I did not sleep because I was preparing a presentation to tailor make this. So that shows the dedication. And of course, our Professor Nagbhushan Raju, board member, and Niti Aayog, Atal Innovation Mission, and Andhra Pradesh Innovation Society, who have helped us in building this ecosystem. And yeah, thank you very much for your time. Sir, shall I close?